stop saying can I go to toilet. Now I will tell you about modal verbs. A modal verb is a type of helping verbs that is used to express ability, possibility, permission, or obligation. There are many kinds of modal verbs. The following are some of modal verbs: can, could, may, might, must, will, would, shall, should, have to. Now I will tell you about can. Can is used to express ability to do something. Example: I can make car. I can speak English. Could describe an ability that someone had in the past. Example: I could swim when I was young, but now I cannot swim. When we use could, it is past. So, when he was young, he could swim, but he cannot swim now. May and might. We use may and might to ask permission and to suggest something is possible. Example: may I borrow your pen? May I go to toilet? When we say may I go to toilet, it is formal way of asking permission. But when we say can I go to toilet, it is informal way of asking permission. So we don't use can when we ask permission. So we must say may I go to toilet. Must. It is used to express about rule. Example: I must do my homework. We must wear our uniform. Will and would. It is used to show desired preference, choice, or consent. Example: I will accept your offer. I will take this duty. I would rather go to cinema. Would is a past form of will. Shall and should. We use shall to ask question politely or to make suggestion. Example: shall I go now? Shall we drink soft drink? Should. Should is past form of shall. We use should to ask someone opinion. Example: what should we do now? Should we go this way? Have to. We use have to express a strong obligation. When we use have to, this usually means that someone external circumstance or third person makes the obligation. Example: I have to send a report to head office every day because there is a external circumstance that makes this obligation. So she must or he must send a report to head office every day. You have to pass your exams or the university will not accept you. Ought to. It is used to express ideas such duty, necessity, and moral obligation. It is not forceful as must, but it is stronger than should. Mostly, we don't use ought to. Instead of ought to, we use mostly should. Example: you ought to be punctual. These are modal verbs. And when we use modal verbs in dialogue, what should I do? The first person, or what we call it A, what should I do if the traffic light turns red? The person B, you must stop. You must not cross on any of the crossing lines. What should I do when red arrow gets out, leaving only a green light? The person B, you may proceed if it is safe to do so by observing other pedestrians. Pedestrians means passengers crossing the road you are entering. The person A, should I cross when the light turns yellow? The person B, you shouldn't cross, for it indicates that the lights are about to change to red. You shouldn't cross unless you are so close to the zebra crossing. The person A, should I cross when the light turns yellow arrow? The person B, this arrow indicates that the lights are about to change to red. You must prepare to stop. The person A, can I cross the road when the traffic lights turn green? The person B, you can't cross if it is safe to do so. These are modal verbs when we use in dialogue and their definitions. Subscribe this channel, like this video, and share to your friends. Thank you for listening.